Hey everyone, welcome to day 1 of our Master English Grammar in 28 Days series, part 2. I'm Grammar with Kira, and today we're going back to the basics. Kinds of sentences. So let's talk about the 4 types of sentences. 1. Declarative sentence. Makes a statement. Example, we seem very close to a major discovery. Number 2. Interrogative sentence. Ask a question. Where they live. Imperative sentence. Gives a command. Example. Please bring my book tomorrow. Exclamatory sentence. Expresses strong feeling that is wonderful. Pinpoint. Knowing these 4 types helps you to write, speak more clearly and powerfully. Part 3. Rule for direct address. Rule 2. If you're speaking to someone directly, like an imperative or question, separate their name with a comma. Sample. Please bring my books tomorrow, Neil. Example number 2. Neil, did you bring my book? These little commas shows you're speaking to the person, not about them. And that wraps up day 1. You've just learned the basic rule of all grammar. A sentence must have a subject and a predicate, plus the 4 sentence types and the rule of direct address. Comment below with your own sentence example. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you won't miss the day 2.